Welcome to Luxury Car TV, your ultimate destination for timeless automotive elegance, iconic craftsmanship, and high-end vehicle experiences. Today, we take you on a journey into the world of the 1972 Rolls-Royce, a symbol of prestige and luxury that has stood the test of time. This classic automobile is not just a car but a representation of meticulous engineering, unmatched craftsmanship, and the kind of timeless design that only Rolls-Royce could create. From its iconic presence on the road to the intricate details hidden within its cabin, the 1972 model continues to fascinate collectors and luxury enthusiasts alike. Under the hood of this remarkable vehicle, the 1972 Rolls-Royce was powered by a 6.75-liter V8 engine. This engine was designed for smoothness and quiet operation rather than outright speed. With an emphasis on effortless cruising, the car delivered power seamlessly to the wheels through a GM-sourced 3-speed automatic transmission. Though not a sports car by any means, the Rolls-Royce offered a supremely refined driving experience, prioritizing comfort and silence over raw acceleration. The suspension system was a true hallmark of engineering excellence. The car featured an advanced hydraulic self-leveling suspension, a system originally developed by Citroën but later adapted by Rolls-Royce. This allowed the car to maintain an even ride height regardless of passenger or cargo load, ensuring a plush and stable ride even over uneven terrain. The ride quality of a 1972 Rolls-Royce is often compared to floating on air, thanks to this innovative system. Inside, the Rolls-Royce delivered on its promise of luxury with an interior wrapped in the finest materials available. The seats were upholstered in hand-stitched leather, and rich wood veneers adorned the dashboard and door panels. Every switch, knob, and dial was crafted with precision, emphasizing elegance over modern-day convenience. Rear seat passengers were treated to immense legroom, footrests, and deep cushioned seats, echoing the experience of a high-end lounge on wheels. The exterior design of the 1972 Rolls-Royce is iconic and unmistakable. From the imposing grille topped by the legendary Spirit of Ecstasy to the long sweeping lines and distinctive proportions, the car exudes class. Chrome accents, subtle curves, and stately presence make it a visual masterpiece. The attention to detail in the bodywork, paint finish, and panel alignment remains a benchmark in the automotive industry. In terms of features, the 1972 model incorporated luxury elements far ahead of its time. Power windows, automatic climate control, and electric seat adjustment were included to ensure a lavish driving and riding experience. While technology was not as advanced as today, the focus was on delivering a serene and composed environment that isolated occupants from the outside world. The car's sound insulation and build quality were so high that even engine noise was nearly imperceptible from the cabin. Driving a 1972 Rolls-Royce is a completely unique experience. It is not about cornering speeds or instant throttle response. Instead, it's about commanding the road with dignity and poise. The steering is light yet purposeful, the braking is smooth, and the throttle response is tuned to provide a relaxed, composed delivery of power. Everything about the car encourages a calm and unhurried approach, perfectly matching the lifestyle of its intended owners. In the era it was produced, owning a Rolls-Royce was more than just possessing a car, it was a statement. It reflected success, sophistication, and a preference for the finer things in life. The 1972 model in particular holds a special place in automotive history, bridging the classic post-war designs with the evolving technologies of the 70s. It remains a favorite among collectors for its elegance, mechanical integrity, and the sheer sense of occasion it offers every time it is driven. Despite its age, the 1972 Rolls-Royce remains a benchmark for luxury. The care and attention lavished on each unit at the factory ensured longevity and durability, allowing many of these vehicles to remain roadworthy and elegant even today. Maintenance and restoration of these classics is an involved process, but enthusiasts will tell you that preserving such a piece of automotive history is always worth the effort. Thank you for watching this deep dive into the 1972 Rolls-Royce. If you enjoy vintage luxury cars and want to explore more timeless icons like this, make sure to subscribe to Luxury Car TV for more exclusive content.